Welcome to Mike's Man Cave, and today I'm doing a very short video on something that has been asked a lot of times and that some people struggle with. And that is how to take the side door here off your GoPro Hero 5, 6 or 7. Let's see how we get this door off. Okay, you depress that button and open it up. Okay, that gives you access to your ports. Okay, and you will need to take this door off if you want to use an external microphone adapter, for example. You also need to take the door off if you're using your GoPro in the GoPro camera harness, which is either the handheld camera grip or your GoPro drone. Okay, they both use the same harness. So you need to be able to take this door off to be able to install your GoPro into the harness, so it's got connection to the camera grip or camera drone. Okay, so press the button, slide it out open, hold it at a slight angle downwards and pull. Okay, you can see there how the attachment thing is angled. And you can see the angle that you need to pull it at once the door's been taken off, but this is a little bit difficult when the door's still attached, okay? Now to reattach it is exactly the same thing, okay? You can see the angle, you can see the thing there where it attaches, so you just need to get your GoPro, get your thing, line it all up, and just press it back on, and it's done, okay? It does not take a lot of pressure. You shouldn't have to pull really hard, okay? It comes off easy. So from there, see the angle roughly there, and just gently pull it. Okay, took no effort at all, and putting it back on is the reverse of that. Okay, and you're done. It's that easy. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please give me a big thumbs up. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to Mike's Man Cave for more videos. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. There you go.